love it!
Starting from the front to the back. Okay, are we?
Okay, let's go. Remember, are you ready? Okay,
Yeah.
we're ready.
Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, this time we're gonna make a circle. We're gonna make a circle like this. Starting from the left side. Are you ready? Are you ready? Now this time, show your cell phone one more time. He's too much better, but this time he just works. Just a lightweight. One, two, three. Wait, how was it? How was it? Get it. Sir West. Let's say how we feel now. I'm going to start from the G down here. Okay, come on, let's do it.
여러분들 이렇게 수요일에 저희와 함께 해주셔서 너무 감사합니다. 제가 할 수만 있다면 제가 따뜻한 체온으로 여러분들을 안아드리고 싶습니다. 저는 원래 추운 걸 굉장히 싫어하지만
I actually really hate being cold.
우리 여러분들과 함께 있어서 너무 좋았습니다.
I was so happy as I was with you, Army.
But I hope you guys don't catch a cold. Please be careful as you guys head home. Thank you for coming. It's been a while. Although it was raining and cold, thank for reading and cheering for us. It warmed my heart. I hope you also got the warm energy from us. Please don't catch a cold. See you all again. Alright, we're good.
I heard it's actually colder in Chicago, but I didn't know it would be this cold.
하지만 여기는 아미 여러분들이 딱 여기 난다고.
This place.
하루 입고 왔습니다.
Today's gonna be such an unforgettable day.
원수리
Thank you so much for coming out today.
내일 봅시다.
See you tomorrow.
Good, awesome. Lovely Chicago! Did you have fun today? Seriously, it was cold. I was very cold. However, as a watcher, it's one of you. Having fun with the smiles. My worries disappeared and I gained my power back. You guys are my home. You're my home. Thank you so much, Army Chicago. See you tomorrow. How you feel, Chicago? Make some noise.
제가 며칠 전에 어떤 별을 쫓는데요.
A few days ago, I dreamt about chasing some stars.
약간 이런 표현이 있었어요.
This dinner was exactly my dream.
그때 그 별을 무조건 잡아야 된다고 생각을 했었는데
I really wanted to chase and make sure to grab the star.
지금 보고 있는 이대로 두개
I want to keep this scenery and I want to keep it forever.
많은 분들이 저희랑 시카고 진짜 저희 작년에도 왔지만 진짜 올해도 진짜 엄청 열심히 좋은 추억 만들려고 왔으니까 우리 열심히 즐겨.
I know we came here last year, but I mean, you know what I mean? So let's please enjoy the rest of the concert.
내년에 또 올게요.
We will come again next year.
감사합니다.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
My friends gonna love this. Guys, welcome to the first BTS winter concert. Whatever is special, right? This is the weather a series brought to us. Okay, so right before we get onto the stage, like during the sound check, and while we come into this stage, it was raining a lot.
Yes.
And like these friends and every staff were so worried that it's raining and we might do this little dance not very good, so we were worried. But I told them, it was all recorded on the cameras. I told them, don't worry, Chicago Army's gonna stop the rain. Seriously, you guys made this start. You guys gave us real good. I love this special weather in Chicago. So, small winds in Korea, I definitely think of Chicago. Never forget all these stories. This is the very last one we do that. The stars, the night, and the lighthouse to lead us. That's okay. Let's go. Until it falls with You guys okay with the short sleeve? Okay. Chicago, please make some noise for our amazing Destination.
my God! Ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you.
Yeah, the noise.
Oh,